Good afternoon, ma'am. So, I am the first reporter of the group. So, I am Rizalyn Martires of BSF2B. So, our report is all about scallops. Scallop is a common name that encompasses various species of marine bivalves. Mollusks is the taxonomic family Pectinidae. The scallops, however, the common name scallop is also sometimes applied to species in other closely related families. Within the superfamily Pectinidae, which also includes the thorny oysters. So, first, cardiovascular system of scallop. Heart structure. The scallop heart has a small atrium and a large ventricle, smaller to the snail heart. The heart muscles by fibers are striated and surrounded by mitochondria. So, ang heart structure ng scallop is similar sa snail nga heart. So, kung magambal kita sa mitochondria, ang mitochondria is an organelle found in the cell of most eukaryotes such as animals, plants, and fungi. So, muna siya ang mitochondria. Circulatory system. Scallop have an open circulatory system which is also found in the other mollusks and arthropods. Scallop heart rate is affected by several factors including temperature. First, temperature. Scallop heart rate increases as the temperature increases and decreases as the temperature decreases. So, ng circadian rhythm. Scallop heart rate amplitude and rate amplitude product are elevated during certain times of the day. So the third one of heart rate is affected by several factors. So the third one is oxygen levels. Scallop heart rate increases in response to low oxygen levels but decreases to a state of bradycardia and arcardia during anoxion. Cardiac performance. Scallop cardiac performance can be affected by biotic factors like age and weight, as well as environmental factors like temperature and circadian rhythm. So, the digestive system of scallop. First, mouth, located between two labial pulps, which are surrounded by gills. So, wala ko di picture. So, second is labellum. Located at the end of the gills, this structure has two pairs of labial pulps that move food towards the mouth. So, esophagus, a short tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. A flat oval-shaped sac that is surrounded by the digestive gland. Intestine, made up of the descending intestine, ascending intestine, and rectum. Digestive gland, a dark mass of tissue that surrounds the stomach, and it's often called the liver. Crystalline style, a clear gelatinous root that helps mix food in the stomach and releases digestive enzymes. So, endocrine system of scallop. The endocrine system of scallop involves a number of genes and hormones that regulate sex, steroid hormones, and reproduction. Gonadotropin receptor-like genes, the scallopathenopectin yesonses has two gonadotropin receptor-like genes, LGR and LGR5L, that are involved in the potential GnRH signaling pathway. So, steroidogenesis-related genes. The scallopathenopectin yesoneses has four steroidogenesis-related genes, so that are involved in the steroidogenesis pathway. Estrogen binding site. The scallopacopectin magellanicus has two estrogen binding site in the gonads. This site can bend natural and synthetic estrogen but only bend testosterone and progesterone at high concentration. Estrogen, testosterone, radioidote is higher in the ovaries than the testes of scallop, indicating the presence of aromatase. FOXL2 expression. The expression of FOXL2 is the gonad is positively correlated with the A2T index. The endocrine system of scallop also involves the cerebral and pedal ganglia, which control the scallop's mouth and foot respectively.